very mind-blowing presentation, and the beauty of the presentation is it is directly from the projects already executed, not theoretical, what already done and it is in progress. And regarding the AC loads, in commercial building 60% load is air conditioning, and in residential building around 30 to 40%. So it is the big chunk of the energy we are consuming. And we are running short of time. We love to have the question answer, but during networking, I request Vaishali Madam to be present here outside so people can ask and interact with Vaishali Madam to get the insights of her presentation. Thank you very much, Vaishali Madam, for opening our minds to a new dimension of comfort and one rooted in experience rather than the numbers. And the takeaway from this is, first, we should use the technology while designing our buildings at the concept like CFD analysis, computational fuel dynamics to get, and sun path analysis, and the most she pitched the selection of the facade and the passive design and ability to choose. And one thing we have to work hard, which she requested at last, for the high-rise building, which is in like metropolitan cities and in India itself have around 60 to 70% tallest building high-rise, because in Europe and other countries high-rises are less. We have in the Asia is having the highest number of the high-rise building. We have to do lot of work for the high-rise buildings for this thermal comfort and reducing the energy. And with this, thank you everyone for patiently listening. Thank you Dheeraj, thank you Madam for this mind-blowing session. Thanks to all.
Thank you, Harun sir. We'll be continuing with our next session, that is Reimagine